Hello, Amir here. I have developed this quotation builder tool using Google Forms and Google Sheets. This is the Google form with certain information for client and quotation. As you can see, this is a very complex quotation builder system which I am developing. Most systems are not this much complex. This quotation will have certain sections for different kinds of cost involved in the quotation. Number of travel sections. I have allowed up to 100. Number of pre-production sections and email address. Now data from the form comes into this form responses tab in the Google Sheet, and based on the last response we need to generate the quote. Now to generate the quote we are seeking help from these tabs. These tabs contain information for different kinds of costs involved, and we select, like for example in the multi-room we select hardware items and like 10 quantity and then 2 quantity and so on. We have multi-room sections, as many sections as mentioned in the form, right? Now this is a single room. Again we have the same thing, right? And then we have the labor section, base hours like 12, OT hours 2, double time hours 4, quantity 1, area manager. So similarly we can select different drop down menu. We have the values over here in the labor section for these things, right? For different kind of OT and DT and base hours. Similarly we have software, pre-production, shipping, and then we have these discount things, and then we can, based on the last response, for example, we can just also insert a row in any section, and as you can see it will insert the row in that section. It is asking me to authorize the script because I'm using first time from this account. So it has inserted and copied the formulas as well, everything. And we can delete, we can export the PDF, we can update the code based on if the form values were not correct or there was some mistake, we can correct the mistake over here in the row. For example, we only want one multi-room section, we want one single room section, we want one labor section, one shipping, one software, and one pre-production and one travel. So we will update the code and code will be updated. Now we have one multi-room section, one single room, one labor, one travel, one software, one pre-production, one shipping. So again we can select things whatever we want, right? So this project was based on uh, specific client requirements, so we can customize the quotation building as we need. I hope that it will help. This is the thing to export the PDF, and we can get the PDF. So we have the PDF over here. I hope you would like it. Thank you.